Each of the cucumber in 100 pound of cucumber is composed of 99% water by weight. So this is a typical question in which they give us some information and they hide some of the information. And in these questions, probing the unknown information is really an important aspect to solve it. So 100 pound has 99% water and we need to question what is the remaining 1%. Then the answer that we get from ourselves is that the 1% is the remaining thing, which is a solid part, which is forming the pulp part of it. So we quickly write down its distribution, that we have 100 pound, 100 pound of the cucumber, and we have water in it, which is 99 pound, and we have solid, the remaining pulp part, which is equal to 1 pound. Now what happens is, after some of the water evaporates, the cucumber are now 98% water. Now some of the water evaporates. So after evaporation, its weight definitely decreases. Let's assume that now its weight is X pound. Now in this X pound, the question says that 98% by weight is water. So we write that water is 98% of X. Once again, we need to ask a question, what is the remaining thing? Now the remaining is again the solid, which is 2% of X. Now the very important part to answer this question is that what happens when the water evaporates? Then water quantity decreases, the total quantity also decreases, but what about the quantity of solid? And the answer is, the only thing that remains constant is the quantity of solid. That means the solid that we initially had should be equal to the solid that we had after the evaporation has taken place. So that is the equation that we need to capitalize, and we can say that this 1 pound, which was the weight of the solid in the beginning in the cucumber, should be equal to 2% of the new weight, because now that is solid and the solid's quantity remains constant. So that gives us X is equal to 50 pounds, and therefore our answer becomes option B. I hope you enjoyed the explanation, and I hope you learned that in such questions the most important part is to look for what has remained constant. Thank you so much.